Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go off the beaten trail a little bit and look at a couple of widely used and publicized websites that you probably don't realize actually contain really good PC components at really great prices, or at least indicators to get you to those really great deals before the deals are gone. So I want to take a look at a couple of those places that I like to use to find some of the best deals available and be able to build your PC at the cheapest cost to you possible. Let's take a look. So if you are somebody that does not use Reddit, first of all, you should absolutely be using Reddit if you're getting ready to put together a PC, because Reddit has phenomenal deals on one subreddit in particular that I'm going to pull your attention to, and that is Build a PC Sales. And all this is a community of people that throw out links to you that are to great deals out on the internet where you can find awesome components at often very, very cheap cost. A lot of times that you won't even see on places like PC Part Picker, Newegg, Amazon, those types of sites. So I want to take a look at some of the ones that they have available right now in front of me, and then of course you'll need to check back frequently if you're trying to build a PC for as cheap as possible while getting the most performance that you possibly can out of your PC. This is a great starting point because these are enthusiasts that are constantly checking the market, and they are giving other people the sort of hat tip that, hey, there are these great deals out there. Now, because things aren't posted just all the time on this subreddit, they're somewhat infrequent. You know, you'll get a batch per day, and of course they're spread out evenly throughout the day. I like to sort by new. Now, if you just want to take a glance and see what might be out there, you can sort by the what's hot sorting, but I like to look at the new ones because those ones are the ones that are likely to still be in stock, still be available, and they were the most recent ones. So let's take a look at what we have here. So if you're more of the enthusiast type and you're building a really awesome PC that's going to be pretty high end, some Trident Z G-Skill RAM here, 32 gigabytes of it. It's a 4x8 kit running at a rate of 3200 megahertz, or at least that's what it's rated for, and we're getting that at a price of $219.99. This is a Newegg deal. A lot of these are going to be sort of those major retailers like Newegg, Amazon, Google Express, which I'll come back to, but this is a really good price, and this is not the type of deal that's going to last forever, but RAM prices are somewhat cheap right now. But even so, Trident Z RAM still maintains a price premium because it's pretty RGB. It seems to be pretty high quality stuff. So it's not surprising when Trident Z is a little bit more expensive than most sort of commodity class DDR4 RAM that you're gonna see. But $220 for 32 gigabytes of it is a pretty solid deal. But the deal that caught my eye when I was just sort of scrolling through here is this bundle, Ryzen 5 1600 plus a motherboard for $140 from Newegg. And I clicked over to it, and this is, as of at least the filming of this, readily available on Newegg. It's just a combo. Every now and then they have combos that come back in stock, and this is a great value. It's actually a better deal to do this than the other deal that I saw that I want to call your attention to. This is a phenomenal deal, and this is something that you may not catch if you're looking at PC Part Picker, especially if you're just sorting with CPUs by the cheapest. Well, this is a combo, so you're not going to see this as the cheapest one on PC Part Picker, but this is a great deal to get yourself into PC gaming. What you do here is just get yourself the motherboard, the CPU, and then get a 16 gigabyte kit of DDR4 RAM for around $80. And suddenly for the platform, you're looking at $220 to get 6 cores, 12 threads, and 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. That's a heck of a deal to get started on building a PC. Now, the other place beyond Reddit that I wanted to call your attention to, and this one is not really loaded with deals, but at least on the CPU front, sometimes you can find some really solid ones, and that is Google Express. Now, I have pulled up right now the Ryzen 5 1600, same processor as in our bundle, except that it's listed at $122. However, going through checkout, there is a $20 off coupon code available. I believe it's MaySave19, which gives you $20 off of this CPU. So if you weren't in the mood to get that motherboard with the Ryzen 5 1600, you get this deal from Google Express, which again does not look like it's listed on PC Part Picker, or at least the deal doesn't seem to be available there. And you get this CPU for $101 and change, and you get free shipping with it as well. Now, it won't be as fast as Amazon or Newegg shipping might be, but it's still gonna get to your house, and it's gonna be much cheaper here than it is on most of those other retailers if you're just buying the Ryzen 5 1600. And just to kind of give you a little bit of perspective, the Ryzen 5 1600 right now on Newegg is $130. Now, you can find it cheaper elsewhere. eBay, I saw earlier, was around that $120, but you don't get the $20 off coupon code there, whereas with Google Express, in this particular case, you do. It just happens to be one of those sites that doesn't seem to be widely circulated, though I have seen it kicking around on the Reddit or the subreddit Build a PC Sales, so that's a good hub to sort of keep an eye on for getting some of those best deals out there if you're looking to build a PC for as cheap as possible. So I know this one was a really quick one, but hopefully this gives you a couple more tools in sort of your online shopping toolbox to get the best deals out there, especially if you're looking at right now Ryzen CPUs and Ryzen combos. While they're already a good value anyways, using these tools may be able to help you get a little bit more of your money back into your pocket for the rest of the build. If you like this video, I do want to hear from you in those comments down below. Let me know any of your tricks and tools that you use to get the best deals out there. Give this video a like, share, subscribe, comment. All those things are very helpful. And I'll leave my sort of tag here for Twitter and Instagram. And of course, I will let YouTube queue up a couple more videos around me from my channel for you to watch. I'm Shane with Hoosier Hardware, and I'll see you guys in the next video.